Hey guys, for this video, we're going to check out the Avante MK3 Nero Advanced Pack. Now let's check out what's inside the box. Let's go! Alright, so let's start. Let's open the box. And let's first talk about the cowl. This is made from ABS material and it's color black, smoke black, and also comes with the spoiler. Next, let's talk about the chassis. This is MS chassis made from ABS material and it's color red. It also comes with the front and rear section. Then let's talk about the tires. This is a medium size slick tires and it's color black. Now for the rims, this is color red and it's a fin type and it's all narrow, perfect for speed. Okay, now let's talk about the internals. This is made from ABS material and it's color white. It comes with the battery cover, wheel bearing, motor catch, and lock nut. Then it comes with a blue and white brakes. It also comes with wide front plate, wide rear plate, rear brake stay, FRP plate, and wide front plate for fully cowed. Next, now this pack includes a 3/7 gear ratio, and then also comes with a light dash motor, battery terminal, some screws, nuts, and it also comes with a cylinder damper and a streamline damper, and also comes with a 13mm red rollers. Okay, and then we have the manual, of course, and last but not the least, the decals to make your car look awesome. Now this kit is available at the Autic Yarn and Hobby Studio in Marikina City. Visit us and experience a wonderful time building and playing with your Tamiya car. We have daily fun race, time attack, and monthly tournament. Track layout changes every month to make things challenging. I hope you learned something from this video. Stay safe and have fun racing.